I think everybody always wants to be better. Our scores were not as good as we would like them to be, and so as we were looking at solutions for that, we decided that the Carnegie Learning Texas Math Solution was the way to do that.
I think the first indicator that we were struggling as a district was our STAAR scores. Our STAAR scores were okay, but we just weren't really improving. We weren't getting better. The curriculum that we were using was not aligned to the types of questions that students were seeing on the STAAR test. And so there was just that gap there, and Carnegie Learning helped us kind of fill in that void.
It's a lot of them doing the learning, them reading and figuring out, okay, what is this asking me? I like that because I'm more hands-off and I'm able to just kind of walk around and hear the different conversations that are happening. And then when you bring everybody back together, okay, tell me what you said. Tell me what you said that was so good. I told you don't forget that. Tell me what you said. And just hearing the class go, oh, and think about it that way.
Then they can help a peer that, well, Ms. Schiffer was saying this and I don't understand it. Well, look, she's saying this. So then they may have that aha moment with the peer. Oh, I get it. And those are the moments you're looking for when they're just like, oh, it's like, thank you.
Our vocabulary just exploded. Their foundational skills were solidified, and then the new process skills, and their critical thinking skills, improved greatly. We saw tremendous growth on our STAAR scores this year. I was very excited when I got the results. We had students go from did not meet to masters. So we are very, very excited about our scores this year.
So our STAAR test results, we had, I believe, 86% get approaches, roughly 65% get meets, and then 50% masters. And so looking at the actual, instead of looking at the percentages, the actual number of kids, we had a third of our students get masters.
They're doing all the work, but that's what we want, right? We want them to learn and we want them to do the work. I've had students who told me that, I've hated math all my life and I think it was just because I didn't get it, but now I get it.
I really literally had an EL student despise math. This year when I got to tell her she mastered her STAAR score, we stood out in the hallway and cried together. It was just the best moment.
Carnegie Learning is one of those programs that when you first get into it, you're gonna think, what have I done? What have I gotten my district into? Both a little bit of patience and some dedication. I really think Carnegie Learning is a turning point for education.